You guys, imagine if I did those awkward intros. Like, I would never do those awkward intros, like, with the music. It's like... Hi everybody, so today I'm reviewing the Flatter Box by Soap and Glory. My mom got me this for Christmas. That is what I'm wearing on my face today. I wanted to show you guys really quick what's in it, like what the setup is, because I actually forgot to show you guys this during the demo. So you get your eyeliner pen, mascara, lip gloss. This was a brush I ended up throwing away because it was like this little tiny flimsy brush and I tried it and didn't do anything. A little half moon brush, which actually is great for the highlight. I didn't think it would be. It's not scratchy or anything though. This is their highlighting powder, or all over your face for like a moonlit glow, which I put it all over today. Can you see the highlight? Like, I put it all over my face, and then with this brush, I put it in my highlight areas. And then these are the 3 eyeshadows that come. There is no matte, but you can make it work. I usually don't put shimmers in my crease, but I did today, and I feel like you can't even tell that the darkest color in my crease is shimmer. So yeah, I didn't get all dressed up for this video. I'm at home cleaning, but I need to go pick up one of our cars because it's in the shop, so I'm like, I need to put some makeup on or mama's gonna scare those guys. So anywho, if you guys want to see this review / demo, then just keep watching. Alright, I already applied my Rimmel London BB cream, and this is the Radiance one. I love this. It leaves your skin looking so healthy looking, and it's a BB cream, but it's still like medium coverage, so. Okay, and anything else I applied on my face, I'll list down below for today. Usually don't, but okay. So this has a powder in it, so I wanted to use it. It looks really pink, though. I'm not sure. I feel like it's a highlight. If you could see that. Okay, so there's a little instruction guide. I'm gonna follow what it says. Having prepped your skin, use the half moon brush to dust Glow All Out luminizing highlighting powder across your cheekbones or lightly all over for a moonlit look. I'm gonna do it all over. Kind of scared because after this I gotta go pick up our car from the shop, so hopefully I don't scare the guys in there and they're like, whoa, what's on your face? I don't have a mirror. I can't tell if I look like super shiny. Here's a mirror. It's not that bad. Like, it's not that bad. I'm gonna put it on my neck though to blend everything in and over my eyes. Okay, and then it said use their half moon brush on your cheekbones. Oh yeah, that looks way more shiny. Oh my gosh. It's crazy how, I think it's because this brush is so dense. Well, not really, actually. It's kind of fluffy. Okay, and then it says, step 2, with the eyeshadow brush, which it was just this little like brush that didn't do anything, honestly, so I threw it away. Sweep cream soda across your lids for the perfect base. Okay, so I don't have the brush, and I don't know which one's cream soda because they're not labeled. I'm guessing it's the light one. So I'm gonna go ahead. There's no matte in here. Go ahead. Ow! My gosh. My dog literally just ran to the door. This all over. This is really pretty, this color. Alright. Okay. Now it says, Start from the outer corners, apply copper 3/4 of the way into your lids, blending into crease and along the top lash line to form a C. Okay, I'm guessing this one's copper. Right here. So I'm gonna see. I don't have like a really skinny pencil brush with me right now. I'm just gonna use this one. This is the Bare Essentials little brush that came in their set. So it says, starting from the outer corners, apply copper 3/4 of the way into your lid, blend into the crease. Okay. And it says do it on the lash line also. And along the top lash line to form a C. It says 3/4 though, not to go all the way. Okay. Then it says smudge chalky, which I'm guessing it's the darkest shade. Which looks like that. Okay, smudge chalky into the crease and outer corners of your lids. It doesn't say just the outer crease. It says into your crease. So I'm gonna do my whole crease with this. It's weird because I never put a shimmer in my crease. And it says like the outer V right there. Alright, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend this out a little bit. With the brush that they had in the set, you definitely wouldn't be able to really blend anything out. It was like a little flat, teeny tiny brush. And it kept falling out of the palette, so I ended up just throwing it away. It says, use the fine point of the Super Cat eyeliner pen to draw a thin, feline flick, or, for more impact, use the thick edge to create a dramatic flash. Okay, I didn't even know there was 2 different sets. Oh, it's just like... It's saying to use the whole pen if you want it dramatic. If you want like a little thin flick, use just the point. It was a little hard with this brush because the fine tip of the brush ends up just it kind of seems like an actual brush where it has hairs or something, and it's not fine anymore because it just like it flattens. I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't really do a fine tip, so it's kind of hard to get a really thin line. Okay, so now it says step 4, coat your lashes with thick and fast HD mascara for amazingly longer, fuller, flattery. Oh my gosh. Okay. I haven't used this mascara. I did use that eye pencil though. Or liquid eyeliner. Oh my gosh. This mascara is separating my lashes. But not giving me any length. That's my daughter. Playing with her toys. I'm gonna have to do like 2 more coats and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm pretty sure my camera zoomed out, but it actually did do a good job of lengthening. And I only put 2 coats on, so it's really good for separating your lashes stuff. So if you are the type that likes that clumpy mascara, this definitely isn't going to do that. Step 5, brush Sexy Mother Pucker plump up onto your lips for a glossy, fulsome pout. You may feel a buzzing sensation as you pucker lips. This is normal. Okay. That's exciting. You may feel a buzzing sensation. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do a little swatcheroo. There's like, it's a little bit of a pink, but not a lot. But I don't know what it looks like on my lips. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't put chapstick on or anything. Smells like something. I'm trying to think of what it smells like. Oh, it smells like See's candy. But what? Is it supposed to smell like chocolate? I didn't even see. I don't think so, but it smells like chocolate. Oh, you know the little suckers they sell? The little chocolate ones. There's like caramel, chocolate, vanilla. This one smells just like, oh, and like a Tootsie Pop. Nothing else smells though. I'm not feeling a tingling sensation on my lips. I think the lip gloss is nice. It's not, I mean, there's no color to it, so it ends up looking like a clear gloss. I have pretty pink lips as it is, so for me there's no color. Maybe if you put like your foundation and concealer over your lips first, you'll get a little bit of a pink tint, because that's what it looks like. Ooh, okay. That was really, okay, now there's like, you know, the buzzing, like it said. I'm feeling it. Okay, well that's making my lips nice and voluptuous. I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't feel this looks complete, so I'm gonna go in with, oh, I feel like my lips are vibrating with that copper color. Right now it's really hard to talk. I'm gonna go on my bottom lash line. I feel like I gotta keep my mouth open for this. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker color. There's only 3 shadows in this. Gosh, this stuff's really tingling. And then just doing the outer part for a little bit of smokiness. Then I'm going to take that powder that was in the kit with my pinky. Put it right there on my tear duct to give some light. And to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. I should have like timed the tingling sensation. I just realized there's no blush in this kit, so I gotta put blush on. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more mascara to my bottom lashes and see how this goes. I love the separation of this mascara. Okay, I just had to put some blush on. So this, oh, that's up. So this is the final look. It's very, zoom out. See my double chin in all its glory. So all in all, I like this. I don't know how much it was. I will find out and leave it down below, as well as the link of where you can get it. I'm trying to put everything back in it. My mom actually got me this kit for Christmas, so I had to review it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you guys so much for watching.